Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can crop images on Canva into shapes, and yes, you can do that. But first of all, before we get into the video, be sure to check the description down below so that you'll get a free trial on Canva Premium and try out new elements and effects that you have never tried before. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm just going to start off by just choosing one of my works here, and I'm just gonna try and modify it because I don't want to start from the beginning. But if you want, you can start from the beginning. I won't stop you there. Okay, I'm gonna turn this to white. It's not. There we go. Then I'm just gonna delete this. And so what we're gonna do now is add our photo that we want to put into a shape. For example, this photo over here, the shared stories, we want to crop this into a shape. Now what we need to do is to go here over to elements, and then we search up frames or frame over here. And here on the frame section, we go and click see all. And then let's find the shape that we want to put this or like crop our image into. For example, I want to put my image into here. So I'm just going to drag it over there. And as you can see, this image now looks like that. And if you want to modify it or like choose which part of the photo you want to be seen, you just double click this or keep clicking anywhere you want it to be. And there we go. So if you want to change the shape or you don't want this photo to be there anymore, you can right click and click detach image and then delete that frame, and let's add or choose another one. For example, this one over here. Now let's just drag this this photo again. Another thing you can do is you can add another photo, and then you can just drag it into that frame and it will replace the photo that is already there. But that's it. That is how you can crop images into shapes using Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.